Tech Motors family, this is the 1993 Subaru Sambar van. It comes with 77,011 original miles. It is 4x4 all-wheel drive. This van has a water-cooled Subaru non-interference 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. As y'all can see, these are the kilometers right up here. 123,939. The miles again is 77,011. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos or deals. Let's keep driving together. For more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much. We really do appreciate the continual support. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.